So students, today we will give the question answers of chapter 4 and of history, and our topic of the chapter is the first cities. Okay, so please take out your copy and write the question answers which I'll be giving you. This is your question answers. Okay, the first one is chapter 4 history. Okay, civilizations is the advanced stage of human development. I will be just reading, okay? Then the next, I'll be giving you the time to write down the question answers. First, let me read. Indus Valley seals, that is, dash is given there, have been found at Mesopotamia and vice versa. Dash and Mohenjo-daro are the two main sites of the Indus Valley civilization located in the present-day Pakistan. Okay, the dash was rectangular pool made of the bricks. That is, the great bath was a rectangular pool made of bricks. Then the Indus Valley people cultivated wheat and barley. Okay, the Indus Valley people cultivated wheat and barley. Then next, match the following with column A with column B. Great baths will be E number, Mohenjo-daro. Then fire, sorry, great fire will be E number, that is Mohenjo-daro, yes. Then fire altars will be number A, that is Kalibangan. Then water conservation system will be Dholavira. Okay, you can find water conservation system in the Dholavira. Then Indus Valley site in the present day Pakistan is number in Ganiwala. Then dockyard will be in the Lothal. Okay, then we will go with the fill in the blanks that the Indus Valley towns were divided into the citadels and the lower town. That is true. The four ancient civilizations of the world flourished near the river. That is true. Okay, the Great Bath was found at Harappa next to the dockyard. That is false. The Indus script is yet to be deciphered. That is true. Okay, it yet to be known because we don't know the Indus script, what is written there. Fire altars were used to bake the pottery. That is true. Okay. So here the question answers is there. So we will go with the D number and we will see that answer the following, answer the questions in brief is there. Number one, what is the civilization? Civilization is defined as an advanced stage of human development where humans as a community achieve the highest level of the organization socially, culturally, and politically. Okay, so next you will see that I will give you the time, but let me read first. Okay, you'll be thinking that sir is doing very fast, but I'm just reading it out. I'll be giving you the time to write it. Okay, let me read it first, then orally I'll do the reading, then you just afterwards you can write it. Okay, the notes same will be sent after 3 o'clock to you today itself. Why is the Indus Valley civilization is also known as a Harappan civilization? The first two sites to be excavated in the Indus Valley civilization were Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Since Harappa was one of the first sites to be excavated, the Indus Valley civilization is also known as the Harappan civilization. What was a citadel? The citadel was another important, you can see here, the citadel was another important structure in the Indus Valley civilization. The citadel was built on the raised platform towards the west. All important public buildings were located here. Okay. Then next you will see that name to Indus Valley sites where for fire altars were discovered. The two Indus Valley sites where the five altars were discovered were Harappa and Kalibangan. Okay. So next we will find that what was the use to make the great bath watertight, means it was sealed. So the great bath was made watertight with the help of bitumen and tar. Okay, with the help of bitumen and tar. Then we will go with the question and answer the question in the detail, that is E number. Briefly describe the great bath and the great canary with the light do they throw on the life of the Indus Valley people. Question is there, it is right briefly, right? So answer will be little long. Okay. So the great bath. First you write the great bath and underline it. Then you write the great bath was a rectangular pool made of the bricks with the help of bitumen and tar. It was made watertight. There were two flights of steps on the either side to enter the pool. It is also has separate rooms for changing clothes. Okay, near the great bath, we will have find the separate rooms for changing the clothes. Then the great granary. Okay, to store the surplus grain, the industry people built large granaries. Another observation made about the granaries is the proximity to the river banks. The granaries may have been built near the river banks so the food grains could be transported. The granary excavated at the Harappa also has a series of circular platforms that may have been used for threshing grains. Now, these two are defined, but the last one, conclusion from that last from the question also you can find these features of the Indus Valley civilization so that the Indus Valley sites or sorry, people were way ahead of their time and led an advanced cultural life which can be compared to the today's society. Okay, so next we will find that the what theories have been postulated for the decline of the Indus Valley civilization. Numerous theories have come up with regard to the decline of the is you can see there are so many points are there. I will read it one by one. Numerous theories have been come out with the regard to the decline of the Indus Valley civilization. Some of the theories suggest that the decline of the Indus Valley civilization took place due to the climate change or natural disaster like floods. Okay, so some theories suggest that the expansion of the nearby, okay, this is nearby desert region increase the salinity of the water and decrease the fertility of soil. Another theory suggests that an epidemic caused by the civilization to decline. Next is what one theory claims increasing deforestation and over cultivation along with the river Indus changing its course made the land infertile of the soil. Next, we'll find with the name the some of the common features found throughout the Indus Valley civilization. Okay, so right from the question itself, there's some of the common features that found throughout the Indus Valley civilizations are then number A, you will find a highly developed sense of town planning and a well-developed drainage system. Number B, you will find that the red and the black pottery with the animals, bird, plants, and other geometric design. A large number of the seals, practice of burying the dead, use of baked and sun-dried mud, bricks, and construction, the presence of the well-developed religion. So this is all about. Okay, so I'm going to stop my video recording. Okay, the students those who are doing YouTube classes, so write down the question answers. Okay, will be these question answers also will be given in the group. Till then, they take care. Thank you. Bye bye.